Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, the place where creativity meets simplicity. Today's project is all about warmth, beauty, and cozy design. We're creating quick and easy DIY candle holder ideas that look elegant, professional, and surprisingly affordable. If you've ever walked through a home decor store and thought, these candle holders look amazing, but they're so expensive, then this video is for you. Because with just a few simple materials, like wood scraps, jars, rope, and paint, you can make your own stunning designs that bring a warm, glowing touch to any room. Let's dive right in. Candle holders are more than just decorations. They set the mood, they add ambience, and they make even an ordinary space feel special. Whether it's a dinner table, bedroom, or bathroom, a well-placed candle holder can completely transform the atmosphere. And the best part is, you don't need to spend hours building them. With a few creative tricks and everyday items, you can make something that looks luxurious but costs next to nothing. Let's start with one of the easiest ideas, the rustic wooden candle block. If you have a piece of scrap wood lying around, don't throw it away. Cut it into a small rectangular block, sand it smooth, and drill one or more small holes on top to fit tea light candles. You can stain it for a natural look or paint it white for a clean, modern touch. A little polish, and suddenly, you have a candle holder that looks like it came from a boutique. You can even make a set of 3 blocks in different heights. Place them together for that designer, layered look. The second idea is the glass jar makeover. Everyone has leftover jars, from jam, coffee, or candles you've already used. Clean them out, wrap a bit of twine, lace, or burlap around the outside, and pop a candle inside. The soft light shining through creates a warm, cozy glow. You can even paint the glass using frosted spray paint for that soft, romantic finish. This one is perfect for last-minute decorations or gifts. Now let's try something with a bit more modern flair, the floating candle tray. All you need is a shallow wooden or metal tray. Fill it with water, add a few floating candles, and decorate around the edges with small stones, leaves, or petals. It's elegant, easy, and instantly makes any table look like a spa or restaurant centerpiece. If you want to take it up a notch, place the tray on a mirror base. It doubles the reflection and makes your candles shine even brighter. The fourth idea is the upcycled tin candle holder. Take an old tin can, remove the label, and punch small holes around it using a hammer and nail. When you light a candle inside, the light escapes through the holes, creating beautiful patterns on your walls. It's simple, magical, and incredibly satisfying to watch. You can paint the outside gold, copper, or black for a modern metallic look, or leave it raw for a rustic farmhouse style. Next, let's talk about the wooden branch candle stand. If you love nature-inspired decor, this one's for you. Find a thick, dry tree branch, cut a flat base so it stands upright, and carve out small holes to hold candles. It gives your space that natural, boho charm while keeping it earthy and stylish. This project is great for anyone who loves outdoor vibes or cozy autumn aesthetics. Here's something that instantly upgrades any candle holder, the finish. A professional finish makes all the difference. Even the simplest design can look expensive with the right touch. 1. Use matte black or metallic paint for a chic, modern look. 2. Add a touch of gold leaf or copper foil for a glamorous edge. 3. Sand lightly between coats of paint for a smooth surface. 4. Use clear varnish or sealing wax to make wood shine naturally. These small details create that wow factor and make your handmade crafts stand out. And here's the beauty of these projects. They're affordable, beginner-friendly, and versatile. You can create a whole collection in a single afternoon. Line them up on a mantle, group them as a centerpiece, or give them away as heartfelt handmade gifts. If you enjoy selling crafts, candle holders are some of the best products to start with. They're lightweight, customizable, and always in demand, because everyone loves a little warmth and light in their home. Let's not forget the creative twist, personalization. Add engraved initials, dried flowers, or stenciled patterns. These small custom touches not only make each piece unique but also show your care and craftsmanship. That's what makes DIY so powerful. It's not just about saving money, it's about expressing your creativity. So whether you're decorating for a holiday, planning a romantic dinner, or just looking to make your home feel cozier, these DIY candle holder ideas will help you do it beautifully, quickly, and affordably. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. Each handmade candle holder carries your personal touch, and that's what truly makes it special. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Craft Catalog for more creative DIY projects uploaded every few days. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new idea. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep bringing light, literally, into your home.